Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account and app access. Sign into the exact Google account used by your app, then open Google Cloud Console and check that the API you call is enabled. Once done, make sure your credentials match the request. API key for simple APIs, OAuth client ID for user flows, or a service account for server-to-server calls. You do this now because many 403 errors come from missing or mismatched credentials rather than code problems. Next, inspect how your app constructs requests. Look at the authorization header to ensure a valid bearer token is sent and not expired. Refresh tokens if necessary. Make sure the OAuth scopes you request include every permission the API requires, because missing scopes produce 403. Also examine credential restrictions. Referrer, Android package, or IP limits can block calls. If you have an API key, temporarily remove restrictions to isolate the cause, then reapply precise restrictions. To finish, adjust permissions and finalize credentials. Assign explicit IAM roles or add your service account to the resources access list so the account has the right to call the API. If settings seem correct but errors persist, regenerate API keys or OAuth secrets and update your app. Make sure to redeploy any server code using old credentials. If it still fails, check quota limits, the error payload for details, and cloud audit logs. These reveal policy denials and are your primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.